might be yakela ungabukhulumi kabo bunyanga. So kuze ngenze example ngoSikhotheni is because she's one of the famous people indabeni zobunyanga to ubuKristu ne. The reason ngenze example ukuthi kwase-ZCC is the same thing. Umuntu sekayeka isonto lesiyoni sekakhuluma the way isithandaza inyoka angakaza ayibona azathi wena uyibonile yabona. So ayenzeki kuphela la iZion Christian Church izinto zama betrayers, bitter former members. Simbonile uSikhotheni mina angisabi futhi ngiyakhuluma straight. Lento ayikhulumile ngobunyanga ngikaze ngibe inyanga mina. Angi-advocatele inyanga. Bokuphukuphuku.
Bokubhesha
Yeah. Labantu abanikeze imithi
nalaba ama sentiments wakhe athini manje uthi access into engasekho.
Yeah, uthi into yobusathane ngokuya ngaye mina ngimuzwe njalo uyangi understand uNkulunkulu mkhulu